it in the comments now.
Sure.
Yeah, more updates concerning that. But I think the biggest one is Rodri. The transfer hijacker Barcelona for Nabefa ahead of Real Madrid. In Komoka Krawo.
Madrid for Neja.
No, I think said they have to blame themselves.
Madrid for Neja Buta.
No, but I'm
Rodri.
So why are they?
Say, oh, you know what in common. Which in common, if you say very positive. All of a sudden, you name the Barcelona came into the picture. And as a Ninkomo according to Madrid for almost a Sisakakra, a tilted to Barcelona because almost say Omania Branton didn't come. No more that assurance or baba. You come and play Real Madrid.
Okay.
But all of a sudden, and now, as a comedian, so most of the tabloids now report to say a Branton were choosing Barcelona over a club from say Real Madrid. Before Babam Gran, I don't know. Before I didn't cheat him and now I can't say Rodri deal the Abama Ebia Branton about consider Barcelona main sanity. But I say a beer and bet me one of the factors are Branton consider or they kobo and answer why not just about Yama Barcelona. First one. So Obaka every day Ballon d'Or demand. Okay, I can't Real Madrid for the fast.
Florentino Perez say boycott.
Manko.
Yeah.
Secondly, we sani amani na at the tunche a na Real Madrid so and some no mo try the fan Branton hono. It seems as a go down war and farmer Rodri. All of a sudden, and then the more Madrid for ya and I'm saying me Min deserve say Ballon d'Or ye de be mame at a point mo boycott o kran sam ba age Medina se no afi de man basa mo peme. Secondly, any pa no ne Florentino Perez pray Real Madrid akonya no ono so isu Rodri so minya akonya na me de Branton baba enti as at a point na Florentino Perez graphics as a Branton ko no go ni me camp
good
enti eden na chinchin me nkofa ne mfa ne mrabat. It seems now that opinion on them feel Branton is that. So until Jose Mourinho came in and all catches minya Rodri and come pay. Now my papa need option be and acquire say Rodri no if you so cry na mumu feel me sa. So I say Jose Mourinho and all of a sudden mobana day family. I don't know. Who tie stories in mini ade na no. Day na all of a sudden Rodri say afedi onyanko Real Madrid but Barcelona obisi akan de momo
on de wakai enu tina menti ase say Real Madrid for so mbuefu. Who are you angry at? That's my question. Because on say it was quite clear Rodri emani ye pefe say he wanted to go back to Spain. Inti no opese okọ ekosi akan in Spain with the 1 year now kind of contract to Manchester City no. He had no intention saying could be renewed. Man City for no your Madrid so man 3 years more. Rodri did 30 years. Wabo World Cup will reach. And in that World Cup, he was the standout performer in the Spain national team as the national team captain. In the entire debut, once you play the FIFA World Cup, and once you play the FIFA World Cup and you make a very good performance for yourself, you use that as a leverage to demand for more. And Rodri no, on himself, although there's age not on his side, where 30 years, but on himself, but in the twilight of the career, no, he would appreciate to go and play that football in Spain. It is not here now, so best signing new contract in Man City. That's number one. Rich number two. Of course, if a player gives you their word, say I will sign for you. Now on far pen and to paper so was sign a contractor. He can decide to go and play. He can decide to change his mind. And I like the fact that you talked about Enrique Riquelme. In the campaign, his campaign promise was that Real Madrid president or the Rodri any Abrantia your friend Erling Haaland, you bring them from Man City to come and play for Real Madrid. So that alone tells you the fact that it's possible. Say via Florentino Perez, no, because of that simple promise that Riquelme made, no, those two players were not players Ojidi say ono be president, he would like to bring them to the club. Rich uye no free wana. When the rumors had started, say Man City, say Real Madrid no, any player no agree personal terms. Real Madrid were not happy about it. Report bebre eba bonting say Real Madrid had agreed personal terms with Rodri. Emma Real Madrid pay you for no crown frame Man City for catch up and say, what are you saying? There is no agreement. There has been no agreement between us and the player. So that false reportage, Rich, you see, the thing about Rodri is that at this point in his career, what he really wanted was that he was going to a place where he would be accepted. Look at Real Madrid team, here. They have a clear gap in that midfield. Abra, Luka Modric, and Toni Kroos, a free team, they have not been able to replace that particular holding midfield roller or a deep line playmaker carrying the ball from the back and pushing it forward. Omu Nibi. You cannot say Aurelien Tchouameni is that kind of player.
At a point, Danny Ceballos be
kakra.
But on to pray. That's why you're available.
Yes. So when you tell me that Jose Mourinho needed the player, I can agree with you because that gap needs to be filled. And Oshe, the spat between Aurelien Tchouameni and Abrantia Federico Valverde, that chaos has also been existent in that particular midfield. In Tikaudi Rodri Ebetuma, you solve that gap. You have experience. You have a player who can guarantee you consistent performances for about 2 or 3 seasons. And when MP, Mourinho would like it. But Rich, Nhyira say, Rodri at this point, looking at the fact that Florentino Perez himself was not so interested in him from day one. And Akoya say, in Komona na Omudino, Florentino Perez and say, Sikana, now Rodri no, he was not willing to meet it. Omun fam beto abontin, say Abia Sikawi na Rodri Castle wope, and a young farmer. But the report is that there were certain agreements that they couldn't reach with the player. Because Akoya so much to the Subo. Rodri Cascante Hernandez after the World Cup, Nino maybe kakra. Wherever he wants to go and play, he would want to go to a team where there is a wholehearted acceptance of him to come into the team. But Florentino Perez, no, he didn't demonstrate that, both in his sentiments and also in terms of the player and wages. It will share. Initially, now a reluctant kakra, and Jose Mourinho, a man here, clear say, "Oh, Minya Branton and Kamepeno." That was when he decided to push in and see if he could get a player. Now, Rich, look at how Barcelona came and snatched the player. If Sir Rodri Ene or Sainima Baseria, he would have joined at least 8 more players in that Barcelona team that played at the Spanish team at the FIFA World Cup. Lamine Yamal woho, Gavi woho, Dani Olmo woho, Pedri woho, Pau Kubasi woho, Eric Garcia woho, Jean Garcia woho. Then Ferran Torres, but of course, I'm sure will be few. So 8 players.
So adaptation
is not difficult, Rich. And I can understand if I was Rodri. Come on, I'm not even. I would believe say Omo Abraham more camp Mpuno. There were discussions with him, with those players. Say Rodri say you know, Oman City carrier no, Odi Abewe ye, ABA Obe sign contracts. But even if you don't sign, Barcelona is a place where you can come and join us. We will play good football. We will enjoy ourselves. When MP say ABA 8 players who I am very familiar with and I can easily flow with, I will go and play with those players. I will go. And deal no. It shows that they need that player because he instantly goes into that Barcelona team and he becomes very, very key. Watch Frankie de Jong. He is one player you can't count on him for 37, 38 games in a season. Frankie de Jong, so you have Rodri, who comes in. Hansi Flick needs him in that midfield. He's that deep line playmaker. He wants to come back and play in Spain. Florentino Perez needs to blame himself. So when you play, they cannot be angry with Rodri. Because this is a player who is prioritizing his peace and to enjoy the last part of the football of So me, I side with Rodri. If today, why not say or call Barcelona, and he's going to be tactically fit and he's going to gel well with that team, and adaptation and he's going to play with 8 players who he played together with and won the World Cup with DR. I think that's the easiest option for him to take. And I think that the deal is progressing. Few minutes ago, Fabrizio Romano the Betu Abonti said there's a lot of speed and club to club negotiations have no marshals here. And it's reported say ABA Sikana Mumitia for player about 50 million euros. ABA but until the final figure is out, they will spend around that figure for your player. Rich, that's the situation from Rodri.
Me to discuss and announcing Chichibu of the mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most likely, Rodri bet me Ako Barcelona.
And yes, so he's going to be a Barcelona player by the end of the day. They'll be Uncle Madrid. No, Madrid can't do anything about it. Say the number one reason is because of the uncommon only player need and how they were not willing to go all out for him. So that alone is an indication that look, baby, they will not like you the way if you compare to Barca, they will like you. Look at Real Madrid as well. Of course, Jose Mourinho is coming, but that is a team. You cannot take the egos away from there. And Real Madrid is always in the news for some notorious reasons. Even though, if you go there and you are able to adapt and you are able to be competitive, and Rodri, no, I don't think he was even going to compete with anybody. Once he got there, Mourinho was going to put him straight in the lineup. But the thing about Madrid is there's always that politics. They have that in their team. It will not vanish today, it will not vanish tomorrow. It is their tradition. But open, more flexible, more cultural, more tiki-taka, that one is more accepted. And even with Jose Mourinho, one of the things that made Gadani say, Real Madrid one of his philosophies is that he wants to play more direct. Sir, Rodri kind of pose. He may not necessarily want that kind of play. On the end, Pushiko flanks, Vinicius Junior go into the box, cross it, money sim na obim pimshem. Meaning, so what's in common here? So he would have been very important for Real Madrid, but the direction of Real Madrid now will not really suit him that much. But Barcelona, Hansi Flick, Yanto Yaboasi, Tiki Taka, Bonise, Embra, that kind of possessive football. And that is what Rodri enjoys. If I don't think that Rodri will go to Real Madrid, Rich, it will not happen. Or call Barcelona. And by the end of the day, you will see that here we go. Romano de Beba. I was not sure.
Madrid and Barcelona, they say so.
The rivals.
The rival in there now. Omuntemtino. I say, Eddie can't play. Now, bien so, you know, Rodri, Vianesa. Not team, I ain't was paying that. You know, money, one. Yeah. Sandra Hononama Ashama.
I was a show.
Oko media as well. X, for instance, Madrid for remove trouble Rodri off.
Let's say a wine fort.
Said the music.
But Richard himself Chelsea as out of player for.
Yeah.
On the Debia me bahana me Chelsea, me did Chelsea come. I'm on for say Debia me 2 Chelsea buyers. And about Chelsea, one area business or marketing rich me bisa wasem. Who is buying the players in the market as we speak?
Players in motor do. Already players they all cram.
And do you know that's the problem with Chelsea right now? Yes. And I agree with you, Rich. Because as it stands right now, Chelsea were about 41 players will book so. And they can only register I think 25 for Premier League season at eBay. Season never shall see in the next 14 days will reach. By the time our window will be closing on September 1st, I was a players beating me for Chelsea. Maguire, Nicolas Jackson, Benoit Badiashile, Abrantia, your friend, Akoi, even Pedro Neto is linked, say, a bit me a but generally, that trophy fan amo. There are a lot of players in Chelsea right now. They have no business being there. But acquire a yen team ton, yen team say more. That is the reason why they are still there. And Rich, it will amaze you to know, say, Chelsea had to expand on the dressing room to accommodate some of the players. They had to expand the dressing room, and that is not right. Because as you are buying, you need to have a plan for Nkrofo on before. And when Timmy and you man feel they become a bed, omenya omu akwetua, omu bo. Once the week is over, you have to pay them. And that may be the headache of Abrante and Xabi Alonso today, and also the sporting directors. Players be also mufio, whether on loan or permanent, they have to sell them, get enough cash. And I'm sure, Rich, said Chelsea, they want to make at least 1 or 2 more marquee signings. Aside a year, Pep Chavaria over joining Chelsea, at least I think by the end of the channel we will see that announcement. And Pep Chavaria and Common Rich, Mamindi Nkakrebi na yenko yenim. On say after we saw Ashley Cole play for Chelsea for about 8 years from 2006 to about 2014. Omo left back omo bought Chelsea nyina. Most of them, you cannot really vouch for them in terms of how precise and how direct they were. Meaning say yenya players BT say Ryan Bertrand Mo, they were not so explosive. And Ryan Bertrand no point me nya Chelsea and Bobby Bray okubo alone. Abrante Efeno, Pen Chilwell, Marcos Alonso, Felipe Luis, Baba Rahman Obebo Kakra, and even Emerson Palmieri. Our left backs are Chelsea in recent time prior to Cucurella. But when you look at Pep Chavaria and the kind of things that he has, the attributes now they back Chelsea from Rayo Vallecano, I see a player who is not just versatile, Rich, or the ability to even anticipate and also spot chances out of nothing. And now I'm trying to go be power Shema Rayo Vallecano against Atletico Madrid. Over 35 yards out, and not in the left, no. A bob on the share. And Oko social media says, yeah, that video is even trending. But when I look at the player, and I look at the fact that Xabi Alonso at this point, no, he would want to play 3 back, he would want to play 4 back. And Obenya players be more attributes in terms of versatility, directness, pace, anticipation, awareness, the ability to take risks. Because the teams be Awabobiano, he wants those kind of attributes in players. For Marco Correa, Marco Correa every Chelsea call Real Madrid. When I looked at the news, initially not Eyameya. But I was thinking about it, say, look, if you are able to get a player who can instantly come into that Chelsea setup and be able to play 3 back and also play 4 back, wing back, or as center back, or even left back, you are able to get a versatile player who is able to give you so much more than just Cucurella. Because Cucurella, no, the way he developed himself through Air Brighton to Chelsea, no, I understand that he came to a stage where he had to develop. But Pep Chavaria, no, within 28 years, he's coming from Rayo Vallecano. Maybe only Premier League experience. But what I'm saying is that Usha the way Usi fitting in different places at different times and is able to take the risk and has awareness. No, I'm very sure say he will be one of the standout performers for Chelsea this season.
Okay. Messages Eban in easy cry. Madrid for Omu defende. First message from AJ Ministry so say, Richardo, good morning. Real Madrid fans should not be angry. We were almost done with Marco Correa and Bernardo Silva, but what happened? They hijacked them all. Next season will be. I see. Next season will be good, Papa. Okay. Our message of the Abraham Isaac Mensah say, Real Madrid will increase the money ahead of Barcelona and get him quickly. Okay. Isaac Mensah's message of the Abraham, senior name. I say, please let me tell you something really important. Bernardo Silva can do the type of job Rodri does on the pitch, coming from back to receive and contribute to his players. It's a simple thing for Bernardo Silva. Amadu Funi Bido no Mashasi. Opamabwa. No way nyana. Sebi. I was saying Abdullahi Dramani was Richardo. We go from Martin Zubimendi. Mokako to us now. Now we see how we go for Zubimendi is Yesibin. Zachariah Simon, I say good morning, Richardo and your crew. I totally agree with your guy who is speaking, but I also think Bernardo Silva can do that. Bernardo Silva does it better. Okay. Zakaria, and now this message, and so at the Brian Robert today also watching the show from our friend Plains. I truly love the show. Okay. I say I presume the deal is not yet done. So Real Madrid can push and get him.
Oh, push with
the Abba and no say
push with the
and so GD.
I say ABI GD for be woman.
So now no everything for man for venture to na I mean last week I open say odi ewrem na yento so I'm on a J. I say Richardo, there's news circulating from Jacob Benz that Manchester United are interested in Liam Delap and want more confirmation. I say and one confirmation on that.
Liam Delap
story in the
Uncle United.
In the first place, that's story in the field.
So let's be catch us say there seem to be an interest.
Interest being
United for Botuguye.
Away.
Na say
mo journalist mo petit midi ato abrante na man. Say loan say whatever I don't know. And mo journalist akọ church om story. So Manchester United yes e pe Liam Delap. Yeah, you didn't hear that. Yes, Zexi crazy e pobia marathon. Zexi. Joshua Zexi crazy pobia marathon. Not Delap. You didn't hear that.
Oh, but Delap Oba United on pobia man.
Me pacho amo.
Obeti am by 3 goals bi. Obeti am 3 goals.
Joshua. Yeah.
So the standard no about 3 goals.
Yeah, striker. Oba me double the guitar. Who's yan kofa Liam Delap even a Charles go into amo. Oh, David. Yenye sa mistake there. Minimum last week na.
Rich, unim say
Besma ko suben pa.
Recently me the two just say Kuti Romero was possible so be free. Tottenham Hotspur. And Opaya na yadi abetu just say Atletico Madrid are preparing a new bid for a player no because omodi in kind by Emma Tottenham Hotspur for no kase derby. Omun ko back no mun sanko physical for Enfamra. And already no na Inter Milan e di player nechi. Enti at this point no I think that for sure Kuti Romero will be free Tottenham Hotspur. I think
Arsenal grounds show interest.
Of course, I will say Arsenal show interest because see, as we speak, William Saliba or injury, and say Arsenal for now have said it. If they want to have their best foot forward in this particular league, I shall say as champions, they are. Also, into say left wing no me kwa for player ba kwa be ka mo ho a also mo ye say defense na also mo ye ward so also mo ye but eneno another update Rich and he say it's possible say Gabriel Jesus ebe fio Napoli for e play na chi gidi inti I think and also we will get some news from there in the coming days but transfer no e bio and say no Rich oti transfer bi amane nya wanwa because clubs are doing a lot of deals behind the closed doors and about Bontia e bia we be shocked ba o kohwema na one thing say no I say Chelsea for the Martins will be men echi but me na me huni sa
I do say you am for social stories too.
You get it. So you sometimes you look at it until the confirmations come out no. Most of the news because now Zubimendi. Why never turn Zubimendi to Chelsea? At this point, Arteta. This is only 150 million ever. I don't want it.
A competitor.
Share. On from out that. So Rich, you better come on the I think transfer need from now till September 1 window never close. You know, more things will happen. And Eba, Yedeba Tuyama wait here for no so much to be.
Semu, I brand to be the message be by me. Try Zenka. Me who some message na. I figured was it Rodri best slow mo game no.
O best slow mo game. We did for game no.
Because the Rodri no ojebo na.
Yeah.
Tempo controller.
Yeah.
So on the betche derby. Baby as say tempo of the game no do no. Mama engine na ball so kakra no bia home. Yemfa ball nko left. Yemfa right. Yemko yachi. Na keeper mo ball nsim so I ran to the message na everyone say me
obi a excuse
obeso o che say sa de na e wo Rodri ho no o de barrier mo de dem mo obe slow mo attack no Madrid mpesa ye obo no Omoje ball na 1 2 3
no mo
come. It has almost flanks and almost Mbappe. So what I say, Rodri no so afen no obeje ball na twa no ho a control mumien kwa yenye say sa pass o say Real Madrid.
Say no na make.
Me ba o. Enti sa ne man na no omunim na Jose.
Omo mo kofa na ba. Say no na make, but I you see that's the excuse on Bema for this kind of things. If you are rich.
I have some transfer. Who play a part no be views about.
Ya
che bibi.
It's not Arsenal for no. On say still make Chelsea for kakra because of Morgan Rogers no. So no more award. So mo kwa player. And Chelsea for far Morgan Rogers.
But finally, Vinicius Junior so standing in the
contract. Yeah. 6 years.
At the Real Madrid Bobo Corinthi. Yeah. And the Arsenal's pursuit
of the player.
And
Minimsa Wote, I think after that no omo the attention echo Bradley Barcola so. Arsenal for no. Until they have also entered the race for Bradley Barcola.
And the Paris Saint-Germain.
No, but you see, Bradley Barcola, as we speak now, only Liverpool before agree personal terms.
Say no personal term I won na. But club to club, the more agree. For example, for example, young fan say be as say Arsenal.
Yeah.
Na Liverpool build out the coin, let's say 100 million.
Yeah.
Out the coin no. Arsenal so okay, obi about price player 100 million.
Yeah.
He made me amount 120. Do you think why now? Paris Saint-Germain be person in the business.
I agree with you, and I like the angle Odeba. But Rich,
agreeing personal terms with the player, no. And no one said that you be as out.
Yeah. And no
club to club, I agree.
Yeah.
So what I say, and you know sometimes so only player any we are. I saw you in terms club to club negotiation, no.
And also I proceed, yeah.
Because obi to say, Rodri,
yeah.
So now remember, didn't come actually. But all of a sudden, Barcelona be more so chance so only apparently didn't come on in Nadia Asuti.
Manentia makers and say, I think Barcola prefers Liverpool. Because
the players they mean
oh, I know, but Uncomodian no. As a player, watching it mupo say a Liverpool project no, and I appeal to him more. That is according to reports Ayeti. I am looking at it from this angle as well. Say, oh, Shushe Vinicius Junior no way nyana. Is Bradley Barcola the answer? And ask now for maybe some question with you. Because I get it, Bradley Barcola, no, when you watch him in the World Cup for France, he was a little bit upgraded from what we saw from him in even previous seasons. And PSG Nankasano, I think he's improving a little bit. But so when you have Vinicius Junior, is Barcola the answer? Because show Rich, PSG for said they are pricing the player at nothing less than £145 million. And they say Arsenal for Krambe Baina. That's the amount they'll be paying. Would they be willing to pay that money for the player? I don't think so. I don't think so. Sana mimi huno.
So already I'm the 100 akọ.
And the say no Liverpool.
Sorry, Liverpool didn't carry 100 akọ.
I'm on
and a PSG for so omo nje 100.
Yeah.
Omo better de no.
Yeah.
Antina na me catch you say Arsenal ko sisi
yeah.
No mo catch you say okay. Liverpool price no on the buy na person better no. You say it be about 10 million, be now 20 million. I'm telling you. So my friend Barcola catch as a massa. Yeah, nem call for you until you are being a couple more.
But as Rich, do you think say Barcola to us now will solve their problems in the flanks? My genuine question, I'm person besides now for no. It's the Arsenal for BT. I'm sending message, bro. Is Barcola the one who can? Because Arsenal say we're a champion. Who they have been to the Champions League final. They have won the Premier League. Rich, the pressure to play for Arsenal now, and yet ABA Arsenal of 2 or 3 seasons ago. They said they have crossed a certain bridge. They cannot afford to drop it. They cannot afford to drop the ball. They can't afford to go back. It's an old signing player. You are signing quality, and you are guaranteed of good performance. It is a Barcola now. You need to know that there's a risk. Player Nankasano, he's not so flamboyant. He's now improving. He's not so flamboyant. Are you willing to spend that amount on him? And Obana or Intimia on board the way you start blaming him. Arteta, I can trust that Arteta will manage player and may get the best out of him.
Such a sad call.
Good.
And an nonsense na Yatis Martinelli so complaining. playing time
and show
Arsenal.
Yes.
It also consider say bia obetimi akọ. So what I say, bia Arsenal for no so when say Trossard the cop. Martinelli so be cry player. O cry say na nice bibi so.
Yeah.
Ochuno be catch also okwa. E say onya play nti yenko fa Bakula mra. Which I think the Bakula by is a good player.
Is a good player for Arsenal.
He's very good.
Me huni sa.
Onimbo ma.
And yes Onimbo.
Sir.
But the weight of the pressure that will be attached to him in that Arsenal setup, no.
Arsenal. Arsenal no yeah.
But there's pressure. There's pressure to perform.
I don't think that Bakula
you go to play. Anyway, now so I offer a Christos Solis crown from a Club Brugge. Yeah. And we share our player and performance. I think he played about 77 games and scored about 33 goals for our club, no. And no. I watched him in pre-season Real Betis boy and saying I thought he did quite well. And maybe you never know. But to spend that amount, rich. Anyway, it's a transfer in the season maybe. It went tria winya.
Asemu. I say there. Sana dia no echo. Okay, I'm saying me message no. I say Real Madrid play quick counter-attack football.
Yeah.
So buying Rodri will slow our progress to quick counter-attack. Bernardo Silva will surprise everyone this coming season.
No, sir, when you're Rodri there, you have to improvise. But I like the fact that they have also accepted the fact that Bernardo Silva beats me.
But maybe Ejuma Rodri yeno.
And yet Bernardo Silva.
Yen cannot crunch. Ejuma na Rodri yeno. Bernardo Silva beats me.
He cannot do that consistently for a very long time.
Rodri wrong. On say or a midfielder. And Makase say football no umpo because of numbers. Inti there be under a cosi saying argument, you know.
Yeah.
Ebem.
Yeah.
Inti as a rate players players, you know, assist goals or match share.
Yeah.
Goals involvement. Inti there be an across football near the numbers in the kasa.
Yeah.
But look, Rodri. Abrante ne fano Rodri Cascante.
Or a machine.
So on the group muno jinensis you know say name Rodri na ba. Prebia ni me ho.
Na me bomb ball.
And them see me jinensis from me bobo. Rodri no made for that. No midfielder. It me kind of time on J Ballon d'Or no. Now me catch the man for say, look, yeah, cause on this because we a midfielder on time she goes. So what I say, on this year so yeah, both game na game here they Rodri she go the Man City.
Yeah.
And for that matter, it makes him a good player. But look, Rodri, yenyi say ko see saying argument
and few
look, ball pa, you can't say midfielder be more ball. Say me opponent to kuta ball menje ball ni nyen ye me na me some chere baby a game na do no tempo no ma me slow it down na players no bia home me fa passes mu a look that guy
is a different animal
or yaman ye fe kura keke
different guy
Bernardo Silva is a good player
but gentimi fa to Rodri at this
Rodri be no I doubt I doubt is our brand no ebetimi ayewo honti. Anyway, sir, Obiano has said, Obaka said, play anyade. Mimi Tia, Joshua Zexi said, Yamia Adman next season started. No, that's all Manchester United, Upo, Mebaba Bonabaso.
But it's other when your news be about why United are not signing, when you be Biana, like, when you be in Kumama, when we say,
to be honest with you, so far, me said then Yabibia, but I think that previously no there be another catch was United the plan near first year yen travel no they you tuska good do and then catch Manchester fans they say it's not like yen top players so yet top players opa check it then the last 3-4 years you can United you spending on transfers but result number so I think the new management under Sergio no ebia adwen say okay this time no yen to top players ni bebre ye beto kra ye be kofo players are ye few say omoba ombema resort and sika no yen bia bebre because previously no ye ma players bi din adadan akoto omo with sika kese omoba no result na ye pe as a club no mo ntimi afa mai so yen kon say biu and so be ha say yen transfers no low key on yen cheda enye na yibia sa so as a yekono kakra because yempese yebe sound to sika gu bebre. I think that is the decision. Anya sadia me who reason ti abesi ne yen share dan to players bebre. I don't know.
But man yen sanso Europe na mo kwa kobo no anhwa na nkoyi amamu.
Say na the Europe no to players bebre na je say.
There be say we say mo to players before squad depth. Na some mo boy Europe mo more games. Into more games at least you have to have more players.
And I say na Mikel be boy abaso den. I say Yili Tillemans no.
Aye.
Always clear the fan na.
A good bargain. Oh yes, I agree with that.
Because Yili Tillemans.
Yeah.
Abrante no ne boy obo as a player.
Yeah.
You na say you na the World Cup.
Yeah.
What me position be 6 and 8 yeah. What I say. Na it me a year negotiation year.
Yeah.
It's chance as can the kofa. Abrante I think around 40 million or so.
Yeah.
Hey, good deal. Until this time no. Empese a bit years canon.
Yeah.
And your player be if you so be a onye dini ho gidi but or your player or bar average obet me a my performance na pa. Why not? It's kaka kebe ye de be ma no.
Ba mo to bin kan.
Mo to bin kan. Eno nya mo ma say mo na say moto over 40. Moto over 40. By best statistics ye be wi na mo da 50.
Bebre beko.
Ah okay, see there ho.
There be bebre beko. Na so mo kwa na fi na I squad na nkasa begina. Aye. Udani wo be ku nyina benya.
Dani.
Aye, obenya chance to play. Into don't worry Rich. This is the shama e be shamu. Munyam yi. Mo to bin kan.
All right, yeah na Bismarck we see empire land so no. And to us before ya la beto asokra no. Me pa